Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to delve into a topic that many maintenance and operations teams grapple with: hiring top-notch maintenance technicians. The landscape is competitive and changing, but we've got some key strategies and insights to share that could give you an edge. We're going to talk about how to build a strong reputation, attract young talent, and the right questions to ask during interviews to assess the potential hire's fit in your organization. Let's get started. Looking to hire the best maintenance technicians? You're not alone. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, job opportunities in the maintenance field are expected to grow by 6% between 2014 and 2024. Plus, with more skilled workers retiring than entering the profession and technological advancements increasing the demand for tech-savvy technicians, you're likely to face some stiff competition. So how do you attract top talent? One effective strategy is to build a strong reputation as an excellent, caring employer in your local community. Encourage your team to get involved in civic, community, and educational organizations, and always be on the lookout for opportunities to attract future employees. Consider establishing a presence at your local technical college or high schools. Offering mentorship programs, apprenticeship opportunities, and open houses is a great way to introduce young people to the exciting opportunities at your company. And don't forget about promoting from within. If you manage to attract high school students or recent graduates, make sure to reward and promote them. Developing a good relationship with these young talents not only helps you retain them, but also allows you to get the most out of your training investment. But what about when you need to hire from outside your organization? Here are some interview questions you could ask, and the types of answers you should be looking for. First, tell me about the equipment and systems you've worked on in past jobs. This question can give you a quick look at the candidate's level of experience and the variety they could bring to your organization. If they've worked on similar machinery, that's a plus. But if they've worked on many different types of systems, that may show an ability to learn quickly and adapt easily. Second, if multiple equipment breaks down the same day, how would you prioritize the repairs? This question helps you assess the candidate's critical thinking, problem-solving, and time management skills. And third, share an example of conflict with other technicians and how you resolved it. This question can reveal how well the candidate works with others. Remember, the key to hiring the best maintenance technicians is not only about finding individuals with technical skills, but also those with a desire to learn and grow, basic business knowledge, and the ability to work on a team. And that wraps up our video for today. Thank you for watching. To recap, we've discussed strategies for hiring top-notch maintenance technicians, including building a strong reputation, attracting young talent, and asking the right interview questions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams succeed, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.